This is the sparkling unicorn slime. I love how it pops when I fold it, and the colors are just mesmerizing in the studio light.
We'll take a small amount of the light pink shade, making sure to scrape smoothly from the corner like this before transferring it to the palette.
Okay, so first we're going into the peach shade right here, and then we're gonna mix it with this beautiful reddish peach color.
I'm starting with the vibrant pink shade here, making sure to get a good amount on the spatula. Now moving on to this gorgeous deep red.
We'll add the bright pink right here, and then finish the collection with this light brown nude cream.
We start with the vibrant pink, carefully dabbing it around the edge. Next, we introduce the deep red tones, creating this beautiful circular